So we're going to look at how to parallel park from the outside of the car first. We're going to look at the side view. On the test, there may not be a car behind you. You won't be parking between two parked cars, but you will be given 2 car lengths to complete the exercise. So what this means is that when you finish, there must be no more than 1 car length in front of you. The key to doing the manoeuvre is moving really slowly, pausing at each of the critical stages to do with steering, and observing fully around the car constantly, as you will see during the video. So you must complete the exercise within 2 car lengths. In front of me now, there is almost a car length, so you could drop another Mini by crane into the space.